how a municipal boss in Ekurhuleni wasted 156 million of taxpayers' money and got away with it. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. The head of Ekurhuleni municipality, Dr. Imogen Mashazi, was involved in a big mistake which costed taxpayers 156 million. Now, the 156 million was a vehicle allowance settlement for the employees of South African Municipal Workers Union in Ekurhuleni. Now, the mistake is that these workers were supposed to get 40 million instead of 156 million. So here's the breakdown. The 40 million was part of a salary adjustment for employees of the South African Municipal Workers Union in Ekurhuleni dating back in 2017. So the Labour Court ruled in 2018 that the city must adjust salaries, but Ekurhuleni failed to comply, leading to a contempt of court finding against the municipal manager Dr. Imogen Mashazi in 2024. However, Mashazi argued that she wasn't personally served with the contempt notice. So the city settled the case for 156 million to avoid escalating costs. But the original debt was only 40 million, meaning the 156 million is triple the amount of the original debt. And on top of that, the settlement of the 156 million rands was unauthorized, meaning there was no council who approved that payment. But however, the payment was processed. The city is, however, blaming the lawyers for being negligent, and they are not blaming the municipal manager, Dr. Imogen Mashazi. The Labour Appeal Court dismissed Dr. Mashazi's appeal in 2025, but overturned the prison sentence, meaning the municipal manager, Dr. Imogen Mashazi, did not go to jail, and the court's reasoning was that a willful neglect is not a criminal intent. Now, the Labour Appeal Court ruled her actions were deliberate non-compliance, but not severe enough for imprisonment. And also the fact that Mashazi did argue that she wasn't personally served the contempt notice, but the court held her accountable as a municipality's accounting officer. And for an alternative punishment, the court dismissed her appeal with costs, emphasizing her failure to obey a court order was unacceptable. And also the focus on compliance was that the priority was fixing the issue of salary adjustments and not punishment. And her legal team may have negotiated leniency by highlighting systematic governance failures, not personal misconduct. And yes, Dr. Imogen Mashazi resigned in October 2025 amid public pressure. A new municipal manager was appointed and is planning to sue the lawyers for negligence. And once more, the court prioritized compliance over punishment. And that's how the municipal manager wasted 156 million of the taxpayers' money and got away with it.